Okay, we're gonna get started. So I feel like it's showing up dark in here right now. I don't know like if it's just the lighting in here because I have like my bright lights on because it's dark outside. It's like 9 o'clock, but my roots are definitely showing. I'll insert better footage so you can see. I think it's kind of starting to pick up. And I just need like a refresh. That's what we're gonna do. This is what I'm using this time. It's the Argan Oil brand. The brand is One and Only and it's their Argan Oil line. So I'm not like married to this brand or anything, but I've used it a couple times and I do like it. I get it at Sally's and it is the shade 3NN, which is Rich Natural Dark Brown. So I have a ton of hair. It is long and it's thick, and I usually take so long to get my hair done like at a salon, and I only need 1 bottle of this because this is double. So that's why I kind of like this, because I don't have to mix 2. And then I have my little bowl, brush, and of course gloves. I actually need to get a trash bag to put down on the floor. I need to pick up my rug, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair kind of here and down. I do the top of my head first because the bottom of my hair develops way faster and it's just darker. So I do the top first. So we're gonna go ahead and section. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves. Oh, and this is a 10 volume developer, by the way, so I'm just gonna pour that in here. Since I'm not going any lighter, a 10 is fine. You wouldn't want to go any higher than that. 20, 30, 40, that's for lifting color. So 10 is if you want to maintain or if you're going darker. And I'm gonna start mixing this and then I'll put in the rest. I usually have like more than enough at the end, which is unheard of for how thick my hair is. Seriously, like when I get my hair done at a salon, they underestimate me and they have to go to the back like 5 times. And with this, I have it left over, so it really goes a long way. If you just have normal thickness of hair, you probably could just use half. But I would like use a scale to measure it if you are doing that, just so you can be super precise. And I just want to make sure it's all mixed. So I'm going to be here for a minute, so we'll check back in a second. Okay, so now we're just going to kind of go in. So I'm just going to start in the middle of my hair. And I'm really saturating all the way to the root. I forgot to put Aquaphor on my forehead though. And I really just kind of rub it in until I saturate this whole section, because obviously you don't want any spots. And then I'll just keep going until this side is done. I got all over my face. I need Brad to help me. Pause. It doesn't matter. It's time sensitive. It's gonna stain my face. I need a baby wipe right now. Baby wipe. Thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Okay, that was close. I really should have done the Vaseline trick, but whatever. I feel like I start out really slow and then I because I don't do this very often, and then I get the hang of it and it moves a lot faster. So if it feels like it's moving slow, it's just because I forget what I'm doing for a second. And then I get my little sideburns. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally repeat this on this side to the front, and then I'll come back for the back half of my hair. I forgot to get a hair tie for the top of my hair, so I had to take my glove off to get one. Now I'm trying to put a used glove back on because I only had one glove left. I'm gonna take all my top hair. First of all, I'm gonna put it back over here to make sure we got it all. I'll go through it again later. So this is gonna go up here for now. And yes, I realize this is like a very batshit way to do this. However, my hair is so thick and overwhelming for one untrained person to do, so this is just how I do it. If you have any other suggestions, let a girl know. Okay, that's gonna sit up there while we take down the rest. And by the way, this is gonna take me forever. Mentally preparing here. Okay, another quick cleanup. So we're just gonna pull all this over here. There's really gonna be no method to this. I'm just gonna try to get it all as best I can. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle here and just kind of go from there. So we'll move this one out of the way. I don't really know how to show you, so I'm just gonna start going. Not gonna lie, I'm really losing steam here. Okay, my method this time, because it's literally different every time, I'm gonna just take the perimeter here, then I'm just gonna rub it down, and then I'm just gonna make sure everything is saturated. Like I'm gonna go through the bottom later. So I'm gonna get the roots nice and coated and then go back through, because I'm out of my league a little bit this time. I don't know why. I've done this a million times, but I think the problem is I'm like painting every strand, and I need to just like, it's dark hair dye. It's not like I'm placing highlights like we're doing one color, so I think I can be a little messier. We still have plenty of color left. Alright, now let's split this into 3 and then just saturate the crap out of each of these. Shit, I'm flinging. Calm down. Oh, the Skims robe. Okay, good, it didn't. I should have moved that. I'm just really making sure I get all in here. Okay, I'm on my phone because my camera memory card's full, so I need to go empty it out. But I threw a little on my eyebrows just for fun, and I went ahead and finished the bottom. I mean, who knows what this is gonna look like, guys, but I think I did pretty good. It says let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm only gonna let it sit for 20 because it took me over 45 minutes to apply it. I feel like I should take that into consideration because it's already getting pretty dark and I don't want it to be black, so I'm only gonna leave it on for 20. I might go ahead and wipe the eyebrows off. Yeah, that was the right choice. I can always do them again if I want them darker. Okay, well, I'm done at MAC because it's been 30 minutes and I've left it on. So let's just hope my hair is not black when I get out of the shower. I thought I left it for 20. It's been 30. Okay. Okay, it's looking really dark on camera, but in person, it's actually, I'm really liking the color. So I'm gonna dry it and then I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow in the daylight. But I'm happy with it. I think we did a good job and it feels really soft. I'm gonna show you my shampoo and conditioner that I use really quick. I actually got this in PR and just decided to try it and I really love it. It is the L'Oreal Elvive and it does a really good job. My hair is super silky and soft when I use it. So I'm actually almost out of the conditioner, but I love this. And then I'm actually just gonna put a little bit of the serum in my hair right now and it just makes it so soft. It's the glycolic gloss and it's a high shine leave-in serum. So I'm just gonna do like, that was a lot actually. I'm gonna wipe a little off. You can put this in your hair dry also. If I let my hair air dry naturally so it's like wavy, I'll put this in and it just makes it really shiny and kind of tames the frizz a little bit. But I really like this line. I'll probably rebuy it and maybe like a different scent or something if they have that. But yeah, I like it. The scent, it isn't bad. It smells good. Very like sweet and like youthful. But yeah, I'm happy with how it feels, how it turned out. I like the brows. But yeah, this lighting is just so harsh that it's hard to tell. So I'll show you guys what everything looks like tomorrow with like a fresh blowout and my makeup on. And because you know you can't really tell until you like get put together a little bit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, it is the next day. My hair is all done. It's picking up a little bit darker on camera than it is in person, but it looks so good. This might be my best work. It ended up getting applied really evenly, so I guess I just had to trust the process, which that's always how it works. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I'll insert some clips of it like in different lighting so you guys can see. But I think I'm gonna definitely be rebuying that shade of color. I think that's gonna be my shade from now on. And that brand, my hair is so soft and it doesn't feel like it had any like chemicals or dye on it or anything. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. I didn't have to cut it this time, but I do also do my own cut and my own layers. So if you guys want a video on how I do that, let me know. I'm happy to do that next time I have to give myself a haircut. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the hair. If we like the color, I really like it. It's like espresso-y. I'm obsessed. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see if you want that haircut video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!